Let's ask God to heal our world. Okay? This song is called Save Me.
Staring into the world, what do you see? Life seems so cold, it's hard. This world is whipping as far as the eye can see. Ocean of tears, no light to shine on earth. Something's wrong, so wrong. Deadly war breaks out, we're dying. Nation breaks down, we're crying. Blood of innocence flowing wild. Millions of soldiers dying, leaving their family crying. This world breaks down to pieces. Staring into the world, what do you see? Life seems so cold, it's hard.
I watched the news today. There's a war going on. I saw corpses lying in the middle of the street. And there were thousands of innocent children wounded by the war. They were burned, shot, and some of them were left to dead. And I think to myself, like, is this the way the world is supposed to be, you know? So I say, I think we need someone to save us. Someone to save us.
It's a beautiful world that we're living in, a place where the strangers of things are now happening. On the corner of a street, one is crying, trying to revive his whole family dying. A virus of a new age is multiplying. Death is merging, could this be the end? I looked to the skies and took my eyes away. I prayed to the Lord, can you take it all away?
Staring into, what do you see? Life seems so cold, it's hard. This world is whipping as far as the eye can see. Ocean of tears, no light to shine on earth. Something's wrong, so wrong. Here I am, Lord. I'm lying helpless. Save me. Here I'm down, Lord. I'm calling out your name.
It's a beautiful world that we're dying, where men can be sentenced to death for robbery. Sometimes life is worth just a piece of gold. We're starting to judge like the kingdoms of old, and leaders fight for more supremacy, dictating while they preach democracy. Soldiers die for the orders they obey. Can order replace the lives they took away?
Staring into the world, what do you see? Life seems so cold, it's hard. This world is ripping as far as the eye can see. Ocean of tears, no light to shine on earth. Something's wrong, so wrong. Save me. Here I am, Lord.
try and make some change, you know. Let's try to make some change.